Chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem, problem set 2. Practice set 2.2 is omitted. So I'm going to solve the toughest sum of problem set 2. Remaining you have to solve by yourself. Okay. Question number 7. In triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Point P is on base BC. Point P. Where is point P? Okay, here. Base BC such that PC is equal to 1 upon 3 of BC. Okay, PC is equal to 1 upon 3 of BC. If AB is equal to 6 centimeter, AP, find AP. What we have to find? The value of AP, this one. AP we have to find. Given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, PC is equal to 1 upon 3 BC, AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Find AP. Construction. Draw segment AD is congruent. This is congruent sign. Okay, congruent segment BC. Where is AD? AD. Okay, this is, sorry, it's not congruent sign, it's a perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. BD, B dash, D dash, C. It means that it's a BD, C are collinear. Next solution, we will begin. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. This is given, right? If it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Therefore, we will write AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, 6 centimeter, sides of an equilateral triangle. Since we know that BC is equal to 1 upon 3 times of BC, equal to 1 upon 3. BC value is 6. Therefore, PC value is how much? 2 centimeter. In triangle ADC, where is triangle ADC? ADC. Okay, triangle angle D is 90 degree from construction. Angle C is 60 degree angle of an equilateral triangle. Angle DAC, that is this angle DAC is 30 degree, remaining angle of a triangle. Therefore, triangle ADC is 30, 60, 90 triangle. AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 into AC. Root 3 is side opposite to 60 degree. Side opposite to 60 degree. Side opposite to 60 degree. What is 60 degree? Angle C is 60 degree. Opposite to side 60 is AD. AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. That's why AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 AC. So we know that AC value is 6, so root 3 upon 2 is equal to 6. So after doing a simple calculation, AD value is how much? AD is 3 root 3 centimeter. Then side opposite to 30 degree. Side opposite to 30 degree is what? DC. So DC is equal to 1 upon 2 times of AC. AC is what? Hypotenuse. So CD is equal to half of AC, that is side opposite to 30 degree. CD is equal to 1 upon 2 times of 6. AC value is 6. Therefore, CD value is 3 centimeter. Since we know that DC is a formation of DP plus PC, D dash, P dash, D, that is collinear. DP plus 2. PC value we got just now, that we got it from the statement number 1, that is 2, value is 2, and CD value just now we got 3. So DP is equal to, when we bring this to this side in the right hand side, 3 3 minus 2 is 1. So dp value is how much? 1 centimeter. In triangle ADP, the smaller triangle, in triangle ADP, angle D is 90 degree, children. So according to the Pythagoras theorem applied. So hypotenuse is what? AP square is equal to AD square plus DP square. So we know that AP square value we don't know. So AD square value we have already found. So it is 3 root 3 the whole square plus dp value is 1 square. 3 square is 9, root 3 and square get cancelled. So 9 multiplied by 3 plus 1 square is 1. So 9 multiplied by 3 is 27 plus 1. 27 plus 1 is 28. Taking square root on both the sides, so we will get AP is equal to root of 28. Small calculation, so we will get an answer. AP is equal to 2 root 7 centimeter. Now question number 11. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is how much? 90 degree. BL, where is BL? BL and segment CM are the medians of triangle ABC. This both the lines are median. Okay, median. Then prove that 4BLC, it should be here, 4BL square plus, where is BL? 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. Okay, given, we will write it from the question. Angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BL and segment CM are the medians. Prove that 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC the whole square. Dear children, your median means a segment joining from the vertex of the triangle to the opposite, from the vertex to the opposite segment. It divides the segment in the midpoint. Okay, so if it is this is a median, then BM is equal to MA. Okay, your BL is a segment comes from the vertex opposite join. BL is a median that divides the segment in equally. That is CL is equal to LA. Solution. In triangle BLA, BAL, where is BL? BAL, the small triangle. Okay, BAL, angle BAL is 90 degree given. So I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem, children. Here Pythagoras theorem is BL square is equal to BA square plus AL square. Now in triangle triangle CAM, this triangle. Okay, CAM, Pythagoras theorem, CM square is equal to AC square plus AM square. Now this also Pythagoras theorem. So I'm going to add equation statement number 1 and 2. Left hand side plus left hand side, right hand side plus right hand side. So left hand side plus left hand side is BL square plus CM square. Right hand side is AB square plus AC square plus AC square plus AM square. Now AL is equal to, since we know that segment BL and segment CM are the medians, so AL is equal to half of AC. AL, I said it equal, so AL is equal to half of AC and AM is equal to half of AB. So therefore BL square plus CM square is equal to, so in place of that we will write AB square plus AC square plus, in place of CA square LA square I will write half AC square. In place of AM I will write half AB square. So AB square plus AC square plus half square is 1 upon 4 AC square. This I have written this side, this no problem, anyway is fine. 1 upon 4 this is A square 1 upon A square upon 4. Now AB plus AB square upon 4 AC square plus AC square upon 4. When I do the calculation, I'll get the answer 5 AB square upon 4, 5 AC square upon 4. This can be written as 5 upon 4 AB square plus AC square. When I bring this 4 to the left hand side, in the correct, in the left hand side it will go to 4 BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 AB square plus AC square. In triangle BAC, that is a big triangle BAC, angle BAC is 90 degree given, so I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem here. BC square is equal to BA square plus AC square. What is the value of BC square here? BC square is equal to 4BL square plus CM square. AB square plus AC square is equal to 5 times of BC square. From statement number 5 and 6. Where is statement number 5? 5. AB square plus AC value is what? 4BL square plus CM square. 4BL square. This 5 will be carried out here. This we want to prove. It has been proved. Question number 15. In a trapezium ABCD, segment AB is parallel to segment DC and segment BD is perpendicular to segment AD. Segment AC is perpendicular to segment BC. If AD is equal to 15 and BC is equal to 15 and AB is equal to 25, find area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now let us see the figure. This is the figure, children. Trapezium ABCD. Here AB is parallel to DC and AD is equal to 15 and BC is equal to 15 and AB is equal to 25. We have to find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. Construction is, we are going to draw segment DEC. Segment DE is perpendicular to segment AB and segment CF is perpendicular to segment AB, where A dash F dash B. Solution. In triangle ACB, where is triangle ACB? ACB. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree. Applying the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. We know that AB value is 25, AC value we don't know, AC square plus 15 square, BC value is 15. So by calculating AC value, we will get as 400. AC square value is 400. Therefore, AC value is how much? 20 units. Now in triangle ABC, where is triangle ABC? A, B, C. Okay. Triangle ABC, area of a triangle ABC is equal to, half into base into height. What is base here of triangle ABC? Base is BC. BC is the base and the height is AC. Also we have another, we have in this triangle we have one more base and height. Here the another base and height is, base is BC and another height is CF. Is okay. So both are equal. Triangles are same, but if we see here, base is BC, here the base is, the next one base is BC, here base is AB. Base is height is AC and here is CF, but the area will be same. If the area is same, so we can write half into BC into AC is equal to half into AB into CF. It's not 12, it's half, children. Okay, half get cancelled. So half get cancelled. We will have BC into AC is equal to AB into CF. So BC value is 15, multiply 20, 25, multiply CF. So we will get the answer of CF as, while calculating, as 12. So in triangle CFB, where is CFB? This one, okay? This one. So I'm going to apply Pythagoras theorem here. BC square is equal to CF square plus FB square. BC value is 15. So 15 square is equal to 12 square plus FB square. FB square is equal to 225 minus 144. So FB square is equal to 81. Therefore FB is equal to, taking square root on both the sides, therefore FB value is 9 units. Similarly, we can show that AE is also 9 units. Okay. If CF is 9 units, similarly we can show CF also 9 units. Why? Because both the lines are parallel, that is DC is parallel to AB. That's why we can write like this. So AB is equal to AE plus EF plus FB, that is A dash E dash F, E dash F dash B. So AB value is 25 is equal to 9 plus EF plus 9. So by calculating EF value is how much? 7 units. So we got EF value now. So in quadrilateral CDEF, segment EF is parallel to segment DC. Segment ED is parallel to segment FC, perpendicular to same lines. Therefore, quadrilateral CDFE is a parallelogram. DC is equal to EF is equal to 7 units, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is equal to half of CF multiply AB plus CD. This is the formula of a parallelogram, of area of a parallelogram, that is half of the height into sum of the parallel sides. Half is half into, what is the height here? CE and DE, both are equal. So we can write either CE value or DE value into sum of the parallel sides. What is the parallel sides here? AB and DC, where AB plus sum of AB and CD. So we will calculate now half into 12 value, CF value is 12, multiply 25 plus 7. So by calculating, the area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 192, that is 192 square units. Dear children, teacher has solved the toughest sum of practice set 2. You will solve all the sums in the notebook, neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.